Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allison. Welcome, welcome. If you're not new here, you know that's my dog tap dancing around on the floor. So in today's video, I have another Halloween video. Of course I do, because that is the mood I am in probably till December. If I'm being really honest with you. I'm going to do a deer. A doe, a deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. I love doing this. I did a picture of this on Instagram last year. Ting! And I don't know. I like the way it turned out. And I used a lot of basic things. I didn't use a lot of my random special effects stuff. Obviously there's blood dripping down my forehead. But I wanted to pose this scenario of what if you just got off work and you have makeup on, kind of like I do, like a little thin little something something. And someone has conned you into going to a Halloween party. And you're like, oh, I don't have any costumes. What am I gonna do? I'm not gonna go to the costume store and be like a hoey, insert any kind of, you know, job. And you're like, well, I got makeup. Let's do something there. This is a way to take your makeup to the next level and turn yourself into a fucking deer. I'm gonna use things that most everybody already has. I'm gonna be using eyeshadows and whatnot to contour with instead of bronzers or contour kits. Honestly, they're too sheer and you want some pigment in order to look deer-like. You understand deer-like? Deer? Do you? I already have a foundation base on with a little bit of bronzer and we're just going to deer it up. We're going to channel our inner Bambi. Unleash our inner Bambi. Unleash the inner Bambi. Let's get started. So this may be half voiceover, half talk through, because I'd like to watch the Philip DeFranco show. So to get started, I'm using two medium brown eyeshadows and going to heavily bronze my face and also cut down my contour in the middle of my jawline to make it very deer-like snatched. And I'm also going to do my nose in a very straight pattern without cutting across the bridge to elongate the face. Next, using a light yellow eyeshadow or even a banana powder, I'm going to do the initial highlight on my face, concentrating on the center of my nose and the underneath of my eyes, forehead, and chin. And then from there, I'm going to use a white eyeshadow. This is Sugar Pills Taco. And I'm going to highlight even further in those exact areas, giving more definition and contrast for my contour. Also, oh my gosh, I found this picture of a deer on the internet. Look at its face. Look at its face! Now I'm doing something that I like to do, I don't know what else to say, is super contouring my upper lip by adding dark shadow in between and then a little bit lighter shadow on the outside, and then I'm going to actually use a white to highlight the upper part and lower part of my lip. It doesn't really add anything to the whole deer effect. I feel like a deer has a lot of contours and highlights and lowlights in its face, so it's just an extra fun step to give your face that much more definition, I feel like. You know what time it is?
Welcome back to Teresa's Day. My name is Teresa and I'm very much...
Now for the brows, I'm just simply going to feather them out a little more. Make them a little more burly, if you will. Now with the black liquid liner, I am going to elongate the inner lash line all the way down past my tear duct and then thickly line my lash line just on the top. Okay, this is where things get fun. I'm taking a jumbo eye crayon in white and heavily drawing all across my waterline and underneath my lash line. And from there, I'm not putting mascara on my bottom lashes, only on the top. And now I'm going to draw some dots that are different sizes on my forehead. I'm using the bottom of that eye crayon. I'm just going to twist it in the paint and dab it around my forehead. And I'm going to use the bottom of a small eyebrow brush, making smaller circles, and then filling it in with a little detail brush later, making perfect little round circles all around the perimeter of my face. Now for the nose, I'm using a black cream paint, and I'm going to basically outline my nostrils and tip of my nose and paint everything underneath black, including inside of my nose. And for a deer's mouth, you really only kind of see the upper part. In most of the pictures I see, you see their lips. So I'm using a brown cream paint for the upper lip. Then I'm going to use a fairly neon glossy color for my bottom lip, kind of creating the look of a deer's tongue or open mouth. Now from here, just find yourself a pair of antlers, or don't. Totally up to you. You hear my dog? Ah! Black turtleneck, or don't. Doesn't fucking matter. You put some effort into looking adorable up top. Please, go sit down! Oh, my dear dogs. Please stop. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this cute little situation. I hope you guys enjoy listening to my dog tap dance over there. Hope you guys enjoy this quick little how to be adorable, how to channel your inner Bambi, unleash your inner Bambi. Unleash your inner Bambi. Hope you guys have a fun Halloween, or just enjoy the month of October. And you know, this is even adorable if you wear like a costume or something to work or school. This is a nice little easy way to contribute and have fun and show off your little makeup skills that you learned here. I'm also going to do a part 2 video where we do a application up top with a little latex and a little bit of blood as if we got shot. So that'll be a little quick update video. Stay tuned for watch that. I'll link it up in the something and down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up while you're here. I love it. Love it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.